Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue class 10 science passing package part number 6. The first question of passing package is define reflex arc. So reflex arc can be defined as the pathway, the pathway, the pathway for reflex action. The pathway for reflex action is called as reflex arc. So reflex action ನಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು pathway ಬೇಕು, that is called as reflex arc. The second question is what are ionic compounds? What are ionic compounds? What are ionic compounds? Question mark. Write the properties of ionic compound. So what are ionic compound and write the properties of ionic compound. So ionic compound na first barena. The compound formed due to transfer of electrons from metals to non-metals. The compound formed due to transfer of electrons from metals to non-metals. This is called ionic compound. Now let us write the properties of ionic compounds. So ionic compounds are solid and hard. Ionic compounds are solid and hard. The second property is they have high melting point and boiling point. Then the third one, ionic compound do not conduct electricity. At solid state. And the fourth property is ionic compound conduct electricity at molten state. So these are the four properties of ionic compound. What are ionic compound? The compound formed due to transfer of electrons from metals to non-metal. ಮೆಟಲ್ ನಿಂದ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್: ionic compounds are solid and hard. Ionic compounds have high melting point and boiling point. Ionic compound do not conduct electricity at solid state. Ionic compound conduct electricity at molten state. So these are the properties of ionic compounds. So now let us move for the third question. So third question is write the function of axin hormone. So let us write the function of axin hormone. So the first function of axin hormone. So ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 6 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡೈಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇನ್ನು ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್? ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ it helps in elongation of cells. ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲಾಂಗೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಎರಡನೇದು it helps the stem to bend towards, it helps the stem to bend towards sunlight. ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲಾಂಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮು ಲೈಟ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ that is let us write the differentiate between, let us differentiate between series circuit and parallel circuit. Series and parallel circuit. Let us differentiate between series circuit and parallel circuit. Series circuit to parallel circuit na difference na barita hogana. So the first difference between series circuit and parallel circuit is, in series circuit, so first barena, current is same at each resistor. At each resistor current will be same. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋಣ, current is divided at each resistor. This is the this is the first difference between series circuit and parallel circuit. Second difference, voltage is divided. Second difference between series circuit and parallel circuit is, voltage is divided at each resistor. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋಣ, voltage is same at each resistor. Voltage is same at each resistor. So this is the second difference between series circuit and parallel circuit. Then the third difference is total circuit resistance. Total circuit resistance is more than individual resistance. More than individual resistance. So Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dash dash. Next, here in parallel circuit, total circuit resistance is less than individual resistance. So 1 over Rp is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus dash dash. So these are the differences between series circuit and parallel circuit. So idadmele fifth question ಹೋಗೋಣ. So draw a neat label diagram. Draw a neat labeled diagram of electrolytic refining of copper. So we have to draw the neat label diagram of electrolytic refining of copper. So these are the questions that you have to learn regarding that is part 6 of science passing package of class 10th. Thank you very much.